a fair food favorite, fried Oreos. I'm going to show you how to make these in an air fryer. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I'm Mike the Stew Burner and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make, get this, some fair food favorite fried Oreos in an air fryer. You heard me right. I'm going to attempt this. I've never tried this before. Today, I'm winging it. Like usual, I'm winging it. And we're going to see how this comes out. I think it's going to come out. I hope it's going to come out. And let's all cross our fingers and hope it comes out. So what do we got here? Oh, we got Oreos. That's the main event. And I'm going to go with a little bit different of a batter than my other air fried items that I've cooked in the past, whereas I went usually with a beer batter, and today I'm going to change that up and I'm going to go with cider, apple cider. Yes, you heard me right, apple cider. And instead of my normal cornflake crumbs, I'm going to go with some frosted flake cinnamon French toast crumbs. So I'm going to take these flakes here, I'm going to crush them all up and use that for my crumb topping here, or my crumb coating from my fried Oreos. So hey, let's cross our fingers. Let's hope this comes out. And before we get going, let me go ahead and get some business out of the way. If you enjoy my videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, share. And this episode shout out goes to all the Naval Supply Corps officers out there watching my videos, and past and present. I've had the pleasure of serving with so many great, outstanding naval supply officers who keep the Navy running, keep the Navy supplied, both with material and food. And many of them, many of them do a fine job. I can, like I said, I served with quite a few good ones. There might have been one that there was a little sketchy, but I think they know who they are now. I can't do that. Anyways, served with many great ones, and so this shout out is to you, all you Naval Supply Corps officers, past and present. So, without further ado, let's get going here. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and make my batter. So I'm going to get the crumbs, or soon to be crumbs, out of the way. I'm going to go in and take my cider here and get that into my bowl. I'm going to whisk in one egg. Get the egg whisked in there. And then once I have this whisked in, we're going to go ahead and start slowly adding some flour to it to make our batter. Now, I've never done this before. So, like I said, I'm completely winging it. I've never made a batter with cider. I haven't even looked it up to see if you could. So, you know, nothing like winging it, right? So, the mix is looking good so far. The egg and the cider mixed together well. Now I'm just kind of folding in the flour, so I get that kind of pancake batter consistency. There's the word that I was looking for. Pancake batter consistency. And looking good here so far. See if I can go a little faster than I normally go. Maybe because the outstanding Navy game I watched yesterday, Navy football versus Notre Dame. What a game! What a game! Hope many of my Navy followers out there were able to watch it. I was there. Yeah, we came up 3 points short, but you know what? The guys played their butts off, and wow, what a game! One for the ages. Best Navy Notre Dame game I ever saw. Really, because those Notre Dame guys are huge. They're freaking monsters, giants. Our Navy guys, they're okay size, but yeesh. Anyways, I'm going on about football. I should be concentrating on my batter here, which looks really good. No lumps, looking good. All right, batter's good. Now, let me tell you again, as I've put out in the past, Make sure you're using very cold cider or beer and an egg. We want to make sure this is cold. If it was warm, we'd start forming gluten, so we don't want to do that. All right, batter done. On to the crumbs. All I'm going to do is crunch these up. I'm sure that really sounds good on the mic. And oh well. Okay, I have some really good looking crumbs going on here. And if I have to make more, I will. Get those into my bowl. Okay, on to the assembly of my breading station here, where I'm going to take the Oreos and get them all breaded up. So, take our Oreo. This is the part that I dread the most about frying anything, is getting my fingers all messy. There we go. Into the crumbs. Looks pretty good. And I'll continue on, get the rest of these breaded up, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and while I was coating the Oreos, I also heated up the air fryer to 380 degrees, set it for 8 minutes. We're ready to go. We're ready to load these up, and hey, let's go. So first of all, get in here, give the bottom of the air fryer a little spray so they don't stick. We'll get the Oreos in here, and I got 10 out of that, out of those 2 cups of crumbs. So I was able to get 10, so that's a pretty good number. Probably could have got a dozen. There was enough crumb in there remaining that I probably could have got 2 more done. So, but this is where I'm going to stop. This is where I'm going. I got 10, and that's what we're going with. So, actually, I got 11 done. So I definitely could have got 12. And I'm actually going to only be able to fit 9 in here. So we're going to go with 9 for right now. Give the tops a spray. All right. In we go. And we'll probably have to turn these at probably about the 4 or 3 minute mark remaining on the timer. So we'll let that go, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're at about the 4.5 minute mark here, and so any minute here, or any second, this is probably going to go off and tell me to flip, because we're approaching the 3 minute mark, 3 minute remaining mark here very soon. It smells awesome. I'm picking up that cinnamon flavor like you won't believe, so I'm really interested to see how this is going to turn out. I think it's going to be good. It smells really good. Oh, there we go. It's asking me to turn. So let's go ahead and give these a turn. So far, they're looking great. So I'm going in here. Yes, no, I don't have gloves on. And no, I'm not using tongs. I wouldn't recommend doing this, but I am. So they look really good. They smell good. So back in they go. Give them, give the other side a little spray. If these smell, or if these taste as good as they smell, this is going to be a winner. All right, 3 more minutes, and they'll be ready. And if you like fair food, and I like fair food, I think these are going to be a hit. Especially, you're not deep frying them. I mean, that's why we bought this, is trying to get away from deep frying as much as possible. And so far, I'm batting 1,000. And let's hope today we keep that trend going. So 3 more minutes, actually probably about 2.5, and we'll be ready. Okay, we're nearing the 10-second mark here, and we're gonna be ready to pull these out. And whoa, it's even, the smell now is even better than it was before, believe it or not. And here we go, 2 seconds, 1, we're ready. Let's pull it out. And they look fantastic. Feast your eyes on those. There you go. All right, let's pull these out. They're gonna be hot. So we'll let them cool down. I'm gonna have to let these cool. There's no way I'm gonna be able to bite into these hot. They are hot. And it looks to me like this coating, the crumbs, came out fantastic. They're smelling good. I keep saying it, but they really do. Alrighty. Get this in here. Alright, I'm going to let these cool down. As you can see, like I showed you, they look fantastic. I think they're a winner. And I'm going to let them cool down here at least a minute. And then we'll get back. We'll test one out. And let's see. Is it going to be a thumbs up? Thumbs down? I don't know. In between? We'll find out. Okay. Moment of truth time. I've let them cool down as long as I could stand it. And I don't know if you can hear that. Nice and crispy. And let's give it a try. It smells so good. Oh my God. This is dope. You can make fried Oreos in your air fryer. And I think they come out better with this nice breading on it. The corn flakes, the cinnamon toast frosted flakes all crumbled up. Just take it to a whole nother level, whole nother dimension. And the inside of this, the cookie part, kind of broke down into like a cake, and it's like so soft inside, crispy on the outside, and it is so good. You're gonna make them. It'd be nice, one of those rainy Saturday things that you do with the kids, the grandkids. Make these up, and oh my gosh, they'll be on sugar highs. Anyways, hey, I hope you enjoyed this. Try it. You saw how easy it is to make it. You're not deep frying these. So yeah, they're not the healthiest things in the world, but they could be a lot worse if you were deep frying them. So hey, until next time, thanks, and we'll see you.